When you are asked to design the marketing mix, you need to make decisions on 4 or 7 core elements, also known as the 4 or the 7 Ps. First of all, issues concerning the product, which is what this video will address. Secondly, a decision on price. Thirdly, you will need to decide on the place. Through which channels will you distribute the product or service? We also need to make a plan of which promotional activities we will carry out in order to tell our target group about our product and encourage them to buy. If we're dealing with an offering that is better described as a service, or perhaps a product that includes large elements of service, we might also want to look at the additional 3 Ps. The people that are involved in delivering the service, the process that our customers will go through in order to receive our service, and the physical evidence, any visible or tangible elements that the customer will see, hear, or in other ways experience when receiving the service. None of the 4 or the 7 Ps should be decided on in isolation. However, product is the P which we will focus on in this video.
What is a product? Everything, both favorable and unfavorable, that a person receives in an exchange. A product is made up of goods as well as services, and there are 3 layers of a product. There is the core product. Imagine your birthday's coming up. You've been waiting to buy that brand new phone, right? You're super excited, you're ready. You go into the store, you have a chat with the service person, you purchase your brand new phone. Now the core product, it gives you the ability to make phone calls, send messages, go online, download apps. There's the actual product. The actual product includes the brand name, quality, styling, features, and packaging. Now, the actual product is made up of the brand name. So maybe you bought a Google Pixel or an iPhone or a Samsung. Now, the quality is the perceived quality as well as the real quality in this case. Styling, the way it looks, the features, all the cool things it can do. The packaging, which is the way it looks and feels from the outside, including the box that you got it in. And there's the augmented product, made up of the warranty, after-sale service, delivery credit options, installation, trading, support, and service. Now, if you're looking at augmented product, so these are the warranty, after-sale service, and the after-sale service is a service that you might get from the company you bought it from, or perhaps the manufacturer, depending on the type of warranty it might be. And this also includes installation, training, and support services. Sometimes when you buy a certain product, say a television or a dishwasher, there can be additional services the company can sell to you, where they come in, remove your old dishwasher, and install the new one as part of their overall product offering. Core and supplementary services for a university. So for example, university, core service is education. That's what we provide to students. However, as part of our core product, we have lots of other things that we also do, which enhances the overall product offering, as in that which the university offers to students. This includes things like food services, i.e. cafes and restaurants located on campus, parking, community learning, counseling, so career and degree, library services, housing, security, healthcare, entertainment, janitorial services, as in people cleaning the buildings and cleaning the facilities, fitness, and financial aid. Now, if you think about this one carefully, the core service is what the university is built on. However, over time, as the needs of students have developed or changed, the university added these additional services to supplement or support the overall core service. So the overall value that the university provides is more than education. It's a combination of all these things. Of course, students looking to join us as a majority would want the core service. However, all students will be taking part in or involved in some or more of the supplementary services while studying at the university.
Here we will use a few simple tools and divide our process into 3 simple steps. Let us use this cafe as an example. It is called the French Café, and it has recently opened up in town. It specializes in French cakes and desserts. Step number 1. Briefly describe their primary target group is women who are out shopping with their girlfriends. They value quality over price. They eat out often. They lead busy lives. They value spending time together. And they are quite image conscious. This knowledge is important to us when deciding on what the cafe's product offering should include. So, when defining the product, firstly we need to choose, investigate, and understand our target so that we can define a product that fulfills the needs, wants, and desires of our chosen target. Secondly, we should look at how we can augment the product. To augment means to make greater by adding something. This is how we fulfill our target group's needs and desires, differentiate our product from the competitors, and subsequently build our product or business brand. Theory tells us that we can look at 6 different areas of augmenting a product. Let us go through them using our example with the French Café. Firstly, quality and design. We look for clues in our target group description. Knowing that our target group values quality over price, we would decide that we will use high quality ingredients in our cakes and desserts, and that we should hire a trained confectioner to ensure the French look of the cakes. Secondly, packaging. Looking at the target group description, we might, for the same reasons as before, decide that we will serve the cakes and desserts using romantic French-looking plates, cutlery, and high-quality napkins. Thirdly, service. Knowing that our target group has most likely been on their feet all day, we will add to the French Café experience by providing a high level of service in the cafe. Trained waiters will show the customers to their tables, where they will take their orders, serve them, and handle the payment. Delivery. We could consider offering a home delivery of cakes and desserts. This might make us stand out from the competitors, but since our target group is more likely to eat out, we will exclude this idea for now and not include it in our product offering. Brand name and image. In time, our brand name, the French Café, will also add to the perceived value of our cakes and desserts, and therefore our desired brand image. And this will of course appeal to our target group's desire of maintaining their own image. However, this will not happen instantly. This is something that will develop over time. Providing guarantees is another way of augmenting a product, but maybe we would find that more relevant with other types of products. For example, offering a 3-year guarantee with the purchase of a new washing machine. Not so relevant with cakes and desserts. And there are no indications of the need for guarantees from our target group description. So we will not provide guarantees in our product offering. On the basis of our knowledge about the target group, we have now defined how we will augment the product, the cakes and desserts. We decided on a high level of quality design and packaging. We decided on a high level of service. We decided not to offer home deliveries or guarantees. And we determined that the brand name and image will in time provide added value to our augmented product. This way, we can give the owner of the French Café specific details of how to meet the desired target group's needs and desires by defining exactly what to include in the product offering. So moving on to step number 3. In order to set ourselves up for how to communicate the augmented product to our target group, we need to get past the technicalities of the product details and features. It is safe to say that the majority of customers will choose a product not based on the specifications themselves, but rather based on the advantages and benefits those features bring them. Listing the benefits of our products therefore summarizes our product offering in the sense of how to communicate our product when we later design our promotional activities. Let us look at some of the features in our product offering. The high-quality ingredients of our cakes is a feature. So features are facts or specifications. They are not so motivating in themselves. However, we can translate this feature into an advantage of a better tasting and better looking cake. Advantages are then the effects of the feature, and they are somewhat more motivating than the feature itself. Furthermore, this advantage gives our target benefit of a highly enjoyable experience that allows them to preserve their all-important self-image. So benefits are the values that this feature brings to the customer, and this is highly motivating to the customer. Another feature is our added service of a waiter. The advantage for our target group is that they don't have to self-serve. The benefit is that they can concentrate on spending time together, enjoy a nice treat, and a relaxing break from their busy day. Being serviced adds to the perceived value of our product offering, especially for our target group. So benefits are what gives the customer value, and therefore they are often described in terms of economy, time, comfort, or values. In our example, comfort and values are the benefits. These values and benefits should be communicated to the target group in our mix of promotional activities.